about the Prime Minister. He's also now announced a compensation of 2 lakh from the Prime Minister's relief fund for the next of kin of each who've been deceased in the landslides in parts of Wayanad. The injured would be given 50,000 rupees as compensation. Compensation on Prime Minister's relief fund that has now been announced. And of course, the Prime Minister, as we updated this far as the distress that he has been facing because of these Wayanad landslides as well. He says he's had a word with the union ministers there. He's had a word with the chief minister and said that all possible help from the centre side would be given to the people there who have been affected because of this landslide. So already Jayalakshmi, compensation that has been announced from the Prime Minister's relief fund.
Yes, certainly, and we also know that Prime Minister did speak to Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan and has ensured all kinds of support from the centre. That is again something that the central government has ensured, that all the affected families will get a compensation of 2 lakh rupees and to all the kin and the affected family. And definitely the centre has given all support to the state government, and in fact state government is also ensuring that the rescue operations are in full swing with the coordination with the central government as well.
All right. Even when it comes to the health department that is announced, as far as helpline numbers are also concerned, the numbers, they're constantly flashing on your screens. A control room that has also been set up in the wake of these 2 major landslides. There have been other landslides that have also been reported, but 2 major landslides, as far as even when it comes to the concerns that are now being raised on part of political leaders as well. They have now come out to say that they are deeply distressed on accounts of these landslides that have been reported and has affected the people there. Of course, you can see the extent and the difficulty in which the rescue officials and the teams that are now facing because of the intense rainfall and the ground there being too slippery. All right, Veena George.